Alright, we're under the car now, and as you can see, the shocks are new. All of the links are in really good shape. They're very, very clean. Stabilizer links in the front here, and here you can see some cracks in the paint, or sorry, in the rubber. And you have the rack and pinion links here all the way to the back, all the way to the other side as well. Sorry. And the underbody of the engine, there is this sign of a small oil leak, but it's a very, very minor leak, but it seems to be coming in from the oil refill. There's another dot, as you can see, in the back. That's most likely just running from the same spot that made its way back, or it might be coming from the bell housing. See all of the insides of the engine, of the underbody. There is a small leak for the power steering, I believe. This is the power steering line here. This is the other side, that's the return for it. And it shows some wetness in there. Other than that, really, I mean, look at the underbody and look at the wheel wells. They're in very, very good shape. The underbody is really clean. We'll take another picture once we lift the other side. Unfortunately, we didn't have access to a lift today, so yeah, okay, we'll get to the other side now.